First, we need to roll the Play-Doh out really flat. It needs to be flat so we can press our shape into it. That looks about right. Now, where's my shape cutter? Oh, yes, it's over here. Come on, little horse. Now, let's press it into the Play-Doh. Wow, it looks amazing! Let's decorate the horse. I'll put the tail on here, and its mane. I'll use a brown color for its feet, or hooves. And last, let's give the horse an eye. We made a beautiful purple-colored horse. This is a field of horses. They come in many different colors. Some are white, some are brown, and some are black. I wonder what farm animal's hiding behind this door. It's a cow. We have the cutter. Now let's go pick a color. Let's spin the wheel. What color is it? It's the color blue. I have my ball of Play-Doh. Let's go roll it out. All done. Now where's that cutter? Here it is. Let's make the cow, pressing it into the Play-Doh. Oh, wow! I'll just remove this extra Play-Doh around the edges. I'll place the tail here, and a spot here, and here. What type of cow is it? I think it's a Frisian cow, because it has spots. And I'll just put the eye here, and another one here. All done! We made a cute blue-colored cow. This is a field of cows. They are grazing on the grass. Can you guess what farm animal might be hiding behind this door? You guessed right. It's a chicken. We have our chicken cutter. Come on, let's go pick a color to make our chicken. What color is it going to land on? The spinning wheel stopped on the color yellow. I have my Play-Doh ball, and I'll use my rolling pin to roll it out nice and flat. And get my chicken cutter. Here it is. And press it into the Play-Doh. I can't wait to see what it looks like. Oh, it looks awesome. It's got so much detail. Use a red color for the chicken crest and give it a green tail. What else? Oh, it needs an eye. And we're all done. We made a bright yellow chicken. These are free-range chickens on the farm. They can roam wherever they want to. It looks like they're trying to find food in the grass. We're back at the barn. What's behind this door? It's a white, fluffy sheep. Oh, here's our cutter. Let's go pick a color. The spinning wheels landed on the color pink. I have my pink ball of Play-Doh. Let's roll it out. All done. I'll just get my cutter and place it into the dough. Oh, how cute! It's a little pink sheep. I'll give it a white colored face and put it right here. That looks about right. And place an eye here and another one here. And I'll give it some little white legs and little brown feet. All done! We've made a pink sheep. Wow, look at all the sheep on the hill. Do you think we could count them all? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, there's just too many to count. Let's go back to the barn. What's behind this door? It's a pig. Wow, we have our cutter. Now let's go find a color. Where's it going to stop? Oh, it stopped on the color orange. Let's roll out the ball of Play-Doh. Great, it's nice and flat. Now where's my cutter? Here it is. Press it down. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, it's so cute. We made a little